guys, guess what? Guess. Okay, let me share the good news with you guys. Okay, I was about stepping out this morning and I decided to check our mailbox. Let me see if we have any mail so far, only for me to see that my green card has arrived. I'm so happy. I'm so happy this morning because I've been waiting for this green card for the longest time. I made the payment since June that I got here. June, I'll be July, yeah. Since July that I got here, only for them not to deliver it, and they're delivering it this month. Like, I'm so happy. Let me open this shit. I'm trying to open this thing, but I'll try. Welcome to the United States. What's this? Okay. Okay. He's here. I don't want to show you guys. Just let me show you guys. Just like this. I'm so happy. Like, I'm happy. Then on to the next one. Is going to be job hunting back to back. Job hunting back to back. Wow. Hey guys, I'm going to the DMV to apply for my state ID because it's long overdue since I've been procrastinating my appointments. I already scheduled an appointment with them. My appointment is by 7:30 and it's 11 o'clock already, so I'm just rushing so I'll be able to meet up. So yeah, and I'll take you guys alongside as usual. I don't know if they will let me vlog there. That's what I don't know. But if they should let me vlog there, definitely I'll take you guys there. So, see ya.
At counter 14. Now serving W. L 069 at counter 26. Now serving W. L 044 as count.
Guys, I'm not happy. Like, I'm not happy. I went to the DMV and they asked me to get my bank card, of which I don't have a bank card yet because I've not opened an account. I'm just sad because it's as if I just wasted my time going there the thinking I will get the ID today, even if it's just the temporary ID. But I just came here to eat. Maybe after eating, I'll just go open an account and then book an appointment next time for the ID card, for the state ID card. And the annoying thing is, even after opening the account today, I won't be able to go back there for the ID. I will still have to make another appointment for another day. Like, everything here is just appointment, appointment, and appointment, and it's nice, but at the same time, it's annoying. I don't know. I just feel like I just wasted today without achieving anything. Yeah, it's all good. Do I have a choice? I don't have a choice.
Are you opening the checkings and the savings or just the checkings?
Just the checking.
Okay, so just fill that out.
It's done.
Thank you. And is Rejoice your middle name or your second name?
My middle name.
Middle name? So change this.
Correct. My citizenship is from Nigeria. Right there. Yep. So put no, and then permanent, go down.
Hey loves, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is actually the next day. I was able to open my account yesterday. Yeah, I finally opened my account, and they'll be sending the debit card. They said they'll be mailing the debit card to my address. So For now, I'm currently waiting for the debit card. Then once the debit card arrives, I'll just go ahead and book another appointment with the DMV for my state ID. Yeah, at least with the debit card, my green card, and my SSN, I think I'll be able to get my state ID. So I'm outside. Yeah, I want to go to one supermarket to buy few things, just few stuffs. And I don't know if I'll be able to vlog. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to vlog, but I just said let me come and update you guys on what's going on. I won't lie, yesterday was really stressful for me mentally. Yeah, yesterday was really stressful because not being able for me to get my state ID, I wasn't happy at all. But that's by the way. I'm able to. I'm happy that I finally opened my. What's this noise? I'm glad that I finally opened my account. So I think once the debit card arrives, I will just go ahead and book my appointments with them. I'll talk to you guys later. Let me just go and buy what I want to buy.